passionate gardener, welcome back. Today I'm super excited to share you the video that I'm going to plant those potatoes in the ground. As I shared in my previous video that I cut those potatoes in half, most of it, and put in the chitting process. The chitting process already started sprouting. You can see little sprouts coming up, and this is ready to plant in the ground now. Now let's prepare the soil. The potato love well drainage, loose and nutrition rich soil. Avoid waterlogged soil to prevent rotting. Next we need to dig trenches to plant the potato seeds. The trench should be about 6 inches, that is 15 centimeter deep. Keep a distance of 12 to 15 inches, that is 30 to 40 centimeter between each trench to give the plants enough space to grow. If you have large seed potatoes, you can cut them into smaller pieces with at least 2 to 3 sprouts on each piece. Smaller potatoes can be planted as they are. Now it's time to plant seed potatoes. Place them in the trench with the sprouts facing upward. This will ensure the plant grows straight up. Planting depth would be around 6 inches and space between those seeds would be around 12 inches. Spacing is key. Proper spacing helps potato grow larger. Now that we have placed our seed potatoes, it's time to cover them up. Gently cover the potatoes with soil, but don't pack it down too hard. After planting, give them a good watering to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Water the plants regularly during dry weather. After planting these potatoes, they will start to grow under the soil, and in about 2 to 3 weeks, we would be able to see the first shoot. As you have seen, I have not put all the soils on top of the potato. I only fill them around an inch, that is 2 to 3 centimeter. And once the shoots will keep growing, it's important to earth up the soil around the base of the plant. This means adding more soil around the plant to prevent potatoes from turning green. Earthing up also protects potatoes from frost. And that's it. You have successfully planted your potatoes, and in just few months you will enjoy a delicious homegrown harvest. Few final tips for you. Keep the soil moist, not waterlogged. Protect your potatoes from frost. Harvest before the first frost in the autumn. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Passionate Gardener for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.